Hey guys, so obviously my face is super oily, but we're just be quiet. So we're just sitting out in the gallery having some beers. Mine is next to me. My sister's trying to get in because she's so annoying. This is everybody. Say hello. Hey. But yeah, we're just enjoying ourselves. It's getting late now. Not really, it's only like 8 o'clock. But it's so dark here already. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't know what's planned, but we're gonna do something. Hey guys, so it is still day one. It's about 11:30 at night right now. I just showered and like moisturized and did as much of my nightly routine as I possibly could. We still have electricity, which is great. Apparently they're supposed to like cut it off though at see, it just dimmed. Yeah, they're gonna cut it off soon. So we're gonna see what happens. Luckily we brought some battery powered fans so we can get through the night for the most part. But it's been pretty good, pretty chill, like nothing major. Just really nice fun. Tomorrow I think we're gonna go to like this fort, and I'll bring you guys along, of course, and we'll have fun and see all of that. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow then. Morning guys, it's the next day. Right now I'm outside. It's basically a hot mess in front of our house because like we're still under construction. It's like 11 o'clock right now, but I've been up since like 8 because people here wake up at the crack of dawn. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys on a little bit of a tour. Today we're gonna go to the fort. I think I said that last night, but not yet. We're still trying to figure out breakfast because it took a while to like get shit done. So yeah. So this guy's supposed to be our watch guard because they're like working in the bathroom and he's asleep. Like, how is he gonna watch our stuff if he's asleep? This is supposed to be the living room area, but obviously it's a hot mess right now because we're still not done with everything, and my sister's pretending like she didn't sleep last night, so she's taking a nap. But I'm assuming this is the dining area. We still have to paint again, and then outside is really cool. So you open this huge door, and then you go out into this really like open area type stuff, and it's so cool. We were sitting out here all day yesterday, just like sitting around. Those are the other people. This guy's working on the house. That's like my mom's like dad's cousin or some shit, I don't know. And then there's like the upstairs part. I'll take you guys up there later on so you guys can get a good view of the city. And in case I haven't said where we are, we're in Fort-Liberte in Haiti. Normally I go to the capital. I haven't been here since I was like 3 years old. Like the last time I came here was when my great grandmother died, and obviously I don't remember, but yeah, that was the last time I was here, and I don't remember anything about being here. So I'm really excited. I'm here for 7 days, ready to just get shit done, have fun, and mainly eat. I've been doing a lot of that. I've been eating a lot, but oh well, that's just not my problem because that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to gain like 10 pounds. So let's get to it. But yeah, right now, oh, the weather. Some of you guys are like, oh my god, is it so hot? It's really not that hot, although right now it's kind of humid because it rained last night. But the rain was good for last night because like it definitely allowed like a cool breeze to enter the house, and I wasn't hot at all when I was sleeping. I slept like a baby as usual. But yeah, it's fine. The sun's finally coming out. It's a little cloudy this morning still, but the sun's finally coming out. It's getting a little hot, but you know, like I like the heat, so it's not that deep. But yeah, when we finally leave the house today, I will definitely show you guys. Oh, I'll also show you guys like all my cousins and stuff. Hey guys, we're going walking around in the town. My cousin's gonna show us around.
Oh yes, yes.
We're gonna see what we can find. Because we haven't really walked around this town at all since we got here. We've just been home. Well, you walked a little, kind of, not really. Oh my god, guys, I'm having like a coconut in the most randomest place on the side of the street. Here we are. Yeah. So the local drink here is to have coconuts with rum. This one's the Haitian rum, bamaku. So I'm just gonna pour some in here and see what happens. You know that's it. I didn't put that much. Now I gotta stir it.
You're wasting alcohol, my friend. You're wasting it. Okay, c'est fini.
It's good. This one's good. Yeah. Morning, guys. I have no idea what time it is, but we've been up for a little bit. We're trying to figure out breakfast right now because you have to like buy everything like every day because it's like super fresh and organic. We're gonna have spaghetti for breakfast, which is really weird, but we always do that. We like having spaghetti for breakfast, which is what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna go on a little excursion today and hopefully, like, you know, not die. But yeah, we're gonna go on an excursion. We're not gonna die, I'm being dramatic. But we're like driving far away to go on this excursion, so usually driving's a little bit iffy, but we'll be fine. It's gonna be fun. I'm in the back of the house right now where my mom just has like all of her like construction stuff that they've been doing. There's like storage, and people here like to cook outside because it's obviously better. So that's like the little stove right there, and you cook with like this charcoal thing that they make from trees, which is also really bad because deforestation, but we won't go there. This is what they do. This is their way of life. But yeah, excited to eat, and we're making coffee right now in my little coffee press. Okay guys, so it's what, 3 o'clock? 2 o'clock, and we're finally on the road to go to Cape Haitian so we can go to the beach and see a couple of things. We had a little bit of a car issue, but we made it. We're all going in the vehicle.
We didn't have a car issue, we had a mother issue.
Yeah, we had a mother issue. My mom didn't want us really to go, pero here we are on our way, about to have fun. So, oh my god, guys, that's Jason Derulo right there. That's why they were giving us like a hard time to get into the restaurant, because he was here and has his bodyguard and shit. You know he's Haitian. People don't know that about him, but he is. So this is our meal. We have some salad, kiwi, which I have no idea how to explain, and some fries. Super excited to eat because I love kiwi. Again, I really don't know how to explain, but I know Brazilians also eat it too. And this is the restaurant that we're at. It's called La Kai, and they also have some kind of like gator theme going on, which is kind of cute. Go Gators. But it's really nice out today, thank God.
No drinking.
Everybody, it is Sunday morning. Things are bustling and moving. People have been awake since like 5 a.m. I swear to God, something's wrong with the people here. They wake up so early, but I did sleep pretty well once again. Feeling really refreshed. The air here is light. But yeah, we're gonna give out the food today to the poor people of this town. My mom gives them food every year for the Feast of St. Joseph, because it's like their big thing here. Like they go all out for this thing, and everybody comes from like everywhere. If you're from this town, to celebrate and to have fun. It's like a time of charity and all of this stuff. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna show you the tent we have outside set up. My mom made soup joumou for them, which we usually only have for New Year's Eve. But I guess it's more like a cultural thing to give them the soup, and then they're gonna get a bunch of raw food like rice and beans and flour and sugar and stuff like that, so they can have like to cook. My mom used to give them cooked food, but then we realized that none of these people have fridges, and cooked food's gonna go bad faster than if you give them food to cook themselves, which is gonna work out better. But I do want to show you guys these little dogs that slept out here on our gallery. I don't really know if you saw them. Let me do this again. They're right there. They slept on our gallery last night, and I don't know what's wrong with them. Well, first of all, last night we came home because we had gone to this little outing or whatever that they were having, and these dogs were eating a rat outside, and then they crawled through the bars and slept in here, I guess, because it's warmer. But they're so cute. I wish I could adopt them, but I don't know if they got rabies. So yeah, but they're so cute. It's like a whole little family. Oh, I don't know where the other sibling went. I thought there was 3. There's only 2 here right now. But yeah, that's like the outside or whatever. I don't know if you guys can see the tent. I'll show you guys up close later on. And I'm gonna eat breakfast now and make some coffee. Hey guys, so I finally got my hair done. It's finished. Look at this highlight. Poppin'. We're going out to this little event tonight. It's a really popular band up here. Well, they're popular countrywide, but it's very popular in the north because they're from the north. So we're going. Yeah, that's where we're gonna go. Isn't that it? Canoe. Look at all the little canoes. We're at the fort here. It's a ruin now, but we're here. We're gonna walk through it all. Look at my cousin. He doesn't know what the hell this is about. He's such a liar. We're here at the fort. It's so nice and beautiful and serene. There go the little boats. People go fishing on those. Duh, they're a boat. They also go crabbing. Apparently, in May, when it starts raining a lot, the crabs literally just come up and like come to people's houses. Like, it's crazy. So today is our last day here before we leave tomorrow. I'm just sitting out, people watching these people hustle and bustle and getting on with their day. There's some kids going to school, although at 9 a.m. they kind of start school late, I guess, but I don't know how much earlier you can start. These people wake up at the crack of dawn, so like, oh God. I would hate to have to go to school right after I woke up, so I guess it's fine. But I don't know what we have planned for today at all. It's currently really hot. I am so torn up by mosquitoes right now. They've gotten me, and I had like mosquito spray and stuff, but they still got me. I'm enjoying some coffee, although I'm kind of regretting it because there's like no iced coffee here because my mom doesn't trust the ice here. So I have to drink hot coffee, and whew, it's hot, very, very hot, but so far so good. We've really been enjoying ourselves a lot. Hopefully we get to do one last exciting thing for the day. I don't know if we can like go to the beach or something. And then my mom's cousin is like, they're having a party tonight, so maybe we might go to that before we say farewell to this lovely little city where we have come. It's been really fun. We really enjoyed ourselves. So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys if we ever do anything fun. But nothing else has really happened, really. Nothing. Whew. It's so hot. So hot, Lord. We're cooking under this little restaurant here across from the airport. It's our last hour in this country before we get back to the AC. Oh boy, I will really enjoy my AC tonight. I'm just gonna throw that out there. But yeah.